So, ayan mga boss, may basic setup tayo rito. Ang malupit dito mga boss, may audio center na speaker. Ayan. Nandito kabilaan po. Tapos, ayan yung ating ito yung pinagmamalaki nating microphone. Ayan. Malupit po niyan, matagal na po. Tapos may mixer tayo. Ito. Ayan. Kevlar po yan. Yan lang po yung dala natin. Tapos may laptop tayo dito. Pero ang sounds po ay manggagaling sa kanila. Nagdala na lang din ako ng laptop para sigurado. So ayan, tingnan natin yung speaker natin dito na nakasetap. Nagdala rin pala ako ng ng 4 na ilaw. Ayan. Pinaka-libreng ilaw na lang natin yan. Nagdala ako ng 2 rito. Ayan, tsaka 2 doon. Ito yung ating top row. Mga boss, may sariling sounds pala dito. Napakalupit, pangarap ko to mga boss. Nakatago, audio center. Wow. Sana all, meron ako niyan. Ito mga boss. Tabing-tabi sila oh. Ano? Kaya mo? Versus audio center versus top row. X15A lang po yan. Pang monitor lang dapat yan. Ayan. So ayan. Po. Yan yung booth natin, nandoon nakalagay. Ito yung kalawakan ng event. So basic lang po ito. Naglagay ako ng isang microphone dito. May stand yan. Pang basic lang po yung ating setup na yon. So ayan mga boss.
A pleasant afternoon to all. Today is a fulfillment day for our pupils and students. They surpass all the requirements prescribed by our school. That's why they are here today to honor what they have obtained. Welcome one and all to the 16th Graduation Day and 20th Moving Up and Recognition Day of Boston Play and Learn Center with the theme Empowering Filipino Youth Through Education or Kabataang Pilipino sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas. Ladies and gentlemen, the Moving Up pupils and the awardees for the school year 2023-2024. Let us now welcome our awardees in Grade 3 Philippians, Grade 2 Colossians, and Grade 1 John for the processional march. As you enter the hall and go to your respective places, please remain standing. Again, ladies and gentlemen, the Grade 3 Philippians awardees with their advisor, Teacher Lindy May Montilla. Regalo
pagpapasaya at pagkatuto sa mga Boxdayans, then I'll say to myself, Jean, that's the price that you have for your hardships. Sleepless nights, dealing with issues, and solving them. Indeed, Voxday is here to serve you of its purpose, and that is not just for our Voxdayans to learn to be a learned individual, but to be a truly Christian, cultured Christian. The theme of this year's graduation and this recognition is Kabataang Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas. Are you still with me? O isang yes lang. Can we all just say yes, Teacher Jean? Yung bagong Pilipinas parang may kulay. Pero let us focus on the lines that says, Kabataang Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan. Of better stability for our country. It all lies to all of you Boxdayans. Alam niyo ba yun? Sobrang bigat na nakaatang sa mga balikat nyo at this point. This I would like to leave to each and every one. I want you all to focus on what is necessary. You focus on what is more important. I want you all to focus to the things that doesn't stop. To the things that stops. Ano nga ba yun? First, this is the chance to truly live. As in, buhay na may buhay. Cause here I come, and I'm marching on to the beat I drum.
Stay another mama to raise our voices to lift your name.
This is a mixture of feelings, the joy and pain. Joy for reaching our goals, and pain for saying goodbye to the people who became a part of our lives. Our alma mater taught us the values that we need in order for us to face our futures without fear, to graduate with pride and dignity, but full of gratefulness. This journey brought us many challenges, life decisions to be made, and feelings to be nurtured. Nevertheless, the heavy demands of rigorous academics,